Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be telling you how to get that applause-worthy presentation and how to wow your audience. The first step is just to keep it simple, not to overwhelm your audience. Limit bullet points and make great use of the empty space, and also called the white space. And also remember your signal to noise ratio. You don't want too much information because your audience will not be able to process it effectively. Also the visuals. Let your visuals relay your message. Let the visuals and the images you use help make your point. Also use good quality photos. Audience tend to remember the photos that you use. So put some time into it, research it, look up great photos to use in your presentation. Also, use 2D graphics. You do not want your audience to be overwhelmed by the visuals and trying to take in the 3D and the 4D graphics. The next tip I have is to limit your transitions and animations. Again, this goes back to not wanting to overwhelm your audience. If there's transition after transition and animations on every page, your audience is going to get very overwhelmed very quickly, and they will not be able to process what you are trying to tell them. Remember, simplicity is the key. Also, balance. Your presentation should have a balance to it as far as the graphics and the information and all. And I remember the big 4 that we learned in our class. Repetition. Repeat your topics. Use repetitive images so that the audience can understand it more and tend to grasp it better. Also, alignment. You want your presentation to look organized and put together, so you want everything in a certain place where it aligns with each other. Also, use contrast so that your point sticks out among the rest. And proximity. That is the organization. It goes along with the alignment part. You want your placement to help relay your message. Be creative. Don't use a cookie cutter method. You want something that is original. Have original thoughts and use original templates. You don't want just to fill in the information into a pre-made cookie cutter tablet. Also, put your personality into your presentation. The audience wants to feel that they connect with you. And finally, just remember to breathe. To take time, calm your nerves. Breathing also gives your audience the time to process the information you're giving them instead of just throwing line after line after line. And it also gives you a chance to prepare for the next step. In conclusion, just remember the following steps I've told you. Be creative. Keep things simple. Use your visuals to relay your messages. Limit the transitions in the audio. And just keep a balance to your presentation. Also, just breathe. Thank you. Have a great day.